Okay, so there's the startup logo basically that replaced the Samsung logo, and then the TV will actually look for the or be forced to start up channel that's carrying the actual stream for the TV guide, for the channel guide. And so it comes up, this is your home page or your landing page. The TV guide button is populated or highlighted, and you simply push enter. It's going to come up on Spectrum News, which I put in as 1.1. But if you arrow down, you're going to find that everything else has got a normal number, 2-0, 3-0, etc. I've arrowed all the way to the left, so a guest can actually push on the channel they want to look at in the window. They can watch the video window. And then if I go back to the home screen, oops, sorry, doing this in the dark. So if I go back to the home screen, it does take, every time you go to the home screen, just a little bit of time for the weather to populate. But sorry for the wobbly camera, I'm trying to operate the remote at the same time. If you highlight the weather button and click weather, then you actually get local weather for a couple of days.